Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by enabling permissions so voice works, open your device settings, and allow the game to use the mic. Once done, launch Pokémon Unite and set voice chat to on, choosing push-to-talk if you want control or open mic for constant comms. Make sure your headset or mic is selected as the input and adjust volume so teammates can hear you without clipping. This avoids wasted time later and ensures the next steps will succeed immediately. Next, you configure controls and audio balance for reliable communication. First, bind push-to-talk to a reachable key or controller button so you won't miss critical calls. If you use open mic, set noise gate thresholds. Then, tweak the audio mix, lower SFX a bit and raise voice volume so calls cut through team fights. Finally, decide team-only versus squad chat depending on ranked or casual play. Because focused channels, now join a match and test voice in the pre-game lobby. Say a short call so teammates confirm audibility. During play, use short, clear calls, position, objective, incoming to keep comms effective. If you run into problems, first ensure you're not muted in-game or by teammates, then check firewall and app mic permissions. If audio still fails, restart the game or reconnect your headset. This quick reset often fixes routing glitches and lets you rejoin coordinated play fast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.